PHP is one of the best languages you can learn. Now, hold on a moment. That's a controversial statement. A quick online search yields hundreds of results declaring PHP a dead language. Over the years, many programmers have developed a misconception about PHP. Let's examine the facts to decide whether PHP is a perfect fit for you. First and foremost, 80% of sites are powered by PHP. Can you believe it? That pretty much means that 8 out of the 10 websites you visit are using PHP under the hood, thus solidifying itself as a reliable language for the web. On top of being a popular language, performance is another strong point. Over the years, maintainers have taken every step to improve the speed of PHP. Without a doubt, those efforts have paid off. Apps have seen significant improvement in performance with each release. Lastly, new features are constantly introduced in the language. Since PHP has wide adoption, the PHP team can tailor and fine-tune the language for the community. They've introduced features that can be found in most modern languages. These features can help us write better, more efficient code. There has to be a catch, right? After all, developers are avoiding PHP for a reason. PHP is one of the most beginner-friendly languages available. Within a weekend, deploying a site from development to production is possible. Unfortunately, this aspect of the language is a double-edged sword. Security vulnerabilities can easily be introduced into a site. As a beginner, you should always take the proper precautions for writing secure code. More often than not, beginners tend to overlook basic security features. Worst of all, terrible programming practices can easily plague an application. Scaling an application should always be one of your top priorities. That's difficult to do when the code is poorly written. Luckily, you're taking this course. My goal for this course is to help you become a proficient PHP developer. Unlike other courses that teach you the basics and send you on your way, this course covers a wide variety of topics, starting from the basics of the language to covering advanced features, such as security and MVC architecture. If you're interested in a complete overview, I highly recommend checking out the course description. As we progress through the course, I'll be sure to point out best practices. This way, you can avoid common pitfalls most beginners fall into during their journey. I know you're antsy to get started, but there's one thing you should know before digging into the course. This course assumes you have knowledge of HTML and CSS. Our focus is primarily going to be on PHP. To save time, I'll provide most of the HTML and CSS without reviewing every single line of code. You're expected to understand basic HTML syntax. In addition, JavaScript would be nice to know, but not required. JavaScript is not a language we'll be using heavily. If you know JavaScript, that'll come in handy. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Alright, it's time to start learning. I hope you're excited. It's going to be a long but worthwhile journey. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next lecture.